In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize dimension text in AutoCAD. If your dimension labels look too small to read or too large for your layout, adjusting their size is quick and controlled through your dimension style, so everything stays consistent across your drawing. We'll start by opening the Dimension Style Manager. The fastest way is to type DIMSTYLE into the command line and press Enter. This command opens the central hub where all your dimension formatting lives. Think of it as the settings panel for how dimensions look and behave, including arrows, lines, and the text we're adjusting today. Next, choose the dimension style you want to edit and click Modify. It's important to pick the style that your dimensions are actually using in the drawing. If you're not sure, select a dimension in your drawing and check which style it references in the Properties palette. Editing the correct style ensures all dimensions that use it will update together, keeping your annotations uniform without manual rework. Once you've clicked Modify, head to the Text tab. Here, find the text height field. This value controls how tall the dimension text appears. Enter the size you want, such as 2.5 or 3.0. If you're working in metric and plotting to paper, 2.5 millimeters is a common, legible height for most plans, while 3.0 can help on drawings with heavier line work or dense details. In Imperial workflows, choose a height that matches your plotting standards so the printed text reads clearly at the final scale. Remember, this is the height at print, so aim for consistent readability across all sheets. As you adjust the number, keep in mind how it will look alongside other annotations and title text. If your office or project has a standard, match that here so everything aligns visually. Also, if your drawing uses annotative scaling, set a height that reflects the intended plotted size. The annotation scale will handle the rest. Finally, apply your changes. Click OK or close in the manager to confirm. Existing dimensions that use that style will update automatically, so you can pan around your drawing and immediately see the difference. If any dimensions don't change, they may be assigned to a different style. Switch them to the edited one to keep everything consistent. And that's it. By updating the text height in your dimension style, you standardize readability across your entire project with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.